Hi, have a good day. This is Allan again. In this video, I will teach you how to create your PayPal.me link for your PayPal. So it is easy for you to understand, and it is easy for you or for your customer to pay. So first, you will go to here, PayPal.me. Then click this button, create your PayPal.me link. Create this one or press this button. Enter your PayPal address, PayPal email, after you log in on your PayPal, just click Get Started. Add your photo if you don't have photo, or I will add my photo now. I'll put something nice photo. This one. Save. Then choose name. I cannot put my name here because I already use it, like this one. So it is not available. I already use it on my another PayPal account. You will put a name here which is it's very easy to understand for the others. For example, this one, I have the Red Egg Company. This one, I can put it here, the Red Egg Company. So, but the other person will not know that I am that person. I think much better I put Mantaring Allan. So now it is available. So I can proceed to next. Now I have already the Red Egg Company PayPal.me Mantaring Allan. So agree and create. Now it says your link is ready to share. Now every time someone will pay on my PayPal account, I will just share this link. I will copy and share this paypal.me/Mantaring Allan. So this is the paypal.me you can use for anyone. You can use for your business or for your website. So it's very easy to give to anyone and very easy to remind. So that's it for today and for this video, and bye bye.